No. Hello everyone. Good evening. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So this topic is about the role of e-learning in improving teaching and learning process. Introduction. E-learning has transformed the landscape of education, playing a pivotal role in enhancing teaching and learning process in numerous ways. That is accessibility, flexibility, personalization, interactive learning, lifelong learning. Accessibility, e-learning provide access to education regardless of geographical locations or physical presence. So from this, a student can engage in learning activities from anywhere with an internet connection. Flexibility, it offers flexibility in scheduling and pacing of learning. Learners and teachers can learners can study at their own pace, accepting their individual learning styles and preferences. Flexibility, when particular inflexibility is particularly beneficial for working professionals or those with busy schedules. Personalizations, this personalizations approaches ensures that learner receive content and instructions that is relevant and engaging, leading to better retentions and understanding. Lifelong learning. E-learning support lifelong learning by offering a wide range of course and resources for individual to continue their education and skill development. Beyond formal schooling, this continuation leading model is essential in today's rapidly evolving job market where new skills and knowledge are constantly in demand. So here, e-learning has reformed teaching and learning process by making education more accessible, flexible, personalized, and interactive by leveraging technology to enhance the learning experience, improve educational outcome, and empower learners of all ages and backgrounds. Advantages for teacher in role of e-learning. E-learning offers numerous advantages for teachers, enhancing their effectiveness in facilitating learning and supporting student educational journey. In this, the advantages for teachers, e-learning empower teachers by providing them with tools, resources, flexibility to deliver high quality instructions, engage the student effectively, and support lifelong learning and professional development. The advantages for teachers expand reaches. Expand reaches allow teachers to reach a wider audience. They can teach students from different geographical locations, increasing their impact and influence as educators. Resources accessibility. Here, e-learning platform offer access to a wealth of educational resources, including multimedia material, online libraries, interactive simulations. Teacher can leverage these resources to enrich their teaching and provide students with a variety of learning opportunities. Third one over here, real-time monitoring. E-learning platform offer features analytic reporting tools that allow teachers to monitor student progress and performance in real time. They can track student participations, access learning outcome, and identifies area where student may need additional supports or intervention, enabling timely feedback and adjustment of instructional strategies. Enhancing classroom instructions. There are several enhancing classroom instruction, but here are some which I'm going to say. This first one is interactive content. E-learning platform offer a variety of interactive multimedia resources such as videos, simulations, and virtual labs that teacher can integrate it into their classroom's instructions. These resources make abstract concept more tangible and engaging, helping students grasp complex topics more effectively. Next comes flipped classroom model. E-learning enable the implementations of flipped classroom model where students learn foundational concepts through online modules or videos before coming to class. So this approaches teachers to dedicate classroom time to activities, deeper understanding such as discussions, group work, and handouts experiments. In enhancing classroom instructions, there comes professional development. E-learning provide opportunities for teachers to engage in ongoing professional developments and training to enhance their instructional practice. Teachers can access online courses, webinars, and resources to learn about new teaching methodologies, educational technologies, and best practice in best practice, ultimately improving their effectiveness in classroom. Into e-learning into classroom instructions, teachers can create dynamic, interactive environment, foster student engagement, collaboration, and achievements. E-learning enhance traditional teaching method of leveraging technologies to personalize learning, facilitate meaningful interactions, and support continuous improvement in teaching and learning process. Personalized learning. This plays a crucial role in facilitating personalized learning experience to individual needs, interests, and learning styles of a student. Here are some customized content. E-learning allows teacher to create or curate customized content that align with the student interest, abilities, and learning goals. Teacher can select resources, activities, and assignment to cater to diverse learning preferences, ensuring that a student receive relevant and engaging instructional material. Self-paced learning. E-learning enables students to learn at their own pace, advancing through the material as quickly or slowly as needed. Students can review concept they find challenging, explore additional resources for deeper understanding, and move on to new topics once they have mastered the content. Individual support. E-learning enables teachers to provide individual support and interventions to students who may be struggling or require additional challenges. Teachers can identify student learning needs through data analytic assessments and observation and tailor their instruction and support accordingly. This target approach ensures that all students receive the assistance they need to succeed academically. In personalized learning, overall, e-learning enhances personalized learning by leveraging technology to tailor instructions, content, and support to the unique need and preference of each student by fostering autonomy, engagements, and mastery. E-learning empower students to take control on their learning journey to achieve their full potential. Then comes facilitating student engagement. Facilitating student engagement in e-learning has transformed teaching and learning process significantly, enhancing student engagement in numerous ways. That is learning. Interactive learning, it is an element of such quizzes, stimulation, multimedia content. Then personalized learning, that is the platform can adopt content and pace based on individual student need and performances. It includes data analysis. Then multimodal learning, it is a multimodal learning is a format such as videos, animations, and interactive simulations. It approaches comprehension. It approach enhance comprehensions and retentions, and gamifications come into student engagement. This is in like elements like points, badges, and leaderboards can make learning more enjoyable and motivating. Continuous learning opportunities learning beyond the classroom, offering access to the vast array of resources, course, and expertise. Real world relevance. Here, e-learning can integrate real world examples, case studies, practical applications into learning material, illustrating the relevance of academic concepts to everyday life and professional context. Teacher support and professional developments. E-learning provide teachers with access to resource, training modules, communication of practice, enhanced teaching skills. Well-equipped teachers are better positioned to engage the student effectively. So here, in facilitating student engagement, plays a vital role in improving teaching and learning process by enhancing all these accessibility, interactivity, personalization, collaboration, feedback, uh, continuous learning, real world relevance, teacher support, all contributes to facilitating student engagement and success. Accessing student learning. The landscape of student learning assessment by offering innovative tools and that improve the accuracy, efficiency, and effectiveness of accessing student learning. Here are some real-time feedback, uh, instant feedback on quizzes, assignments, and assessments. Then analytics that gather a vast amount of data in student interaction, performance, and progress. Analyzing this data using learning analytical tool provides valuable insight into student learning patterns, preferences, and difficulties. Then formative assessment tools offer a variety of formative assessment techniques such as polls, survey, quizzes, discussion form, rich multimedia assessment. This support the creation of multimedia that go beyond traditional text-based exam. This assessment can include videos, simulations, interactive exercises, multimedia presentations, then peer assessment and collaborations. Uh, in this collaboration through online discussion group, project, collaborative documents, peer assessment encourages students critically evaluate their peer work. Then automated grading, e-learning platform streamline the grading process through automated grading features for objective assessment like multiple choice questions and quizzes. Automated grading save educator time and allow for faster turnaround of assessment results, enabling timely feedback to students. Then there is a portfolio assessment, accessibility and inclusivity, validity and reliability. These features contribute to more accurate, efficient, and effective assessment practice that support student learning and success. Then supporting differentiated instructions, e-learning has become an invaluable tool for implementing differentiated instruction, which involves tailoring teaching methods, materials, and assessment to meet the diverse learning needs and preference of students. E-learning plays a crucial role in supporting differentiated instruction by providing personalized learning path, adaptive learning technologies, customized content, differentiated instructional strategies, flexible assessment options, um, individual individual feedback, collaborative learning opportunity, data-driven decision makings, accessibility and inclusivity features. These elements empower educators to meet the diverse need of students effectively, fostering a supportive and inclusive learning environment where all students can thrive. Next, the professional development opportunities. E-learning has become a cornerstone of professional development opportunities for educators, offering a wide range of benefits and resources to support their growth and learning. Here, how e-learning improves teaching and learning process through professional development, flexible learning. This flexible learning allows educators to engage in professional development at their own pace and convenience, eliminating geographical constraints and scheduling conflicts. Teachers can access online course, webinars, and resources whenever, wherever it suits them, enabling continuous learning and professional growth. Next, personalized learning. E-learning platform can personalize professional development experience based on educator interest, need, and goals. Collaborative opportunities. E-learning fosters collaboration and networking among educators through online communities, discussions group, social learning platforms. Educators can connect with peers, share ideas, exchange resources, and collaborate on projects, and enriching their professional development experience through collaborative learning and peer supports. Cost effectiveness. E-learning offers cost-effective professional development options compared to traditional face-to-face work or conferences. Educators can access high-quality resources and training material at lower cost, reducing travel expenses and time away from classroom. So professional development improve teaching and learning process by offering flexible, diverse, and personalized professional development opportunities for educators. Through interactive learning experience, collaborative opportunities, feedback mechanism, cost effectiveness, access to research, technology integration, skill development, e-learning support educators, continuous growth and enhance their capacity to meet evolving needs of student in digital age. Facilitate interactive learning activity that engage students in dynamic and participatory way. E-learning support interactive learning activities by incorporating multimedia content, interactive quizzes and assessment, virtual labs and simulations, discussion forms and collaboration tools, group projects, collaborative activities, interactive presentations and whiteboard, gamification element, poll and survey, adaptive learning path, real-time feedback and interaction. These interactive elements foster student engagement, participations and learning outcome, creating a dynamic and enriching learning environment conducive to student success. Access to resources. E-learning has significantly improved access to educational resource for both educators and students, enriching teaching and learning process in several ways. 24 into 7 access. E-learning platform provide round-the-clock access to educational resources, allowing students to learn at their own pace and convenience. Whether it's course material, textbooks, lectures, or supplementary resources, such students can access them anytime, anywhere as long as they have an internet connection. Next, here is diverse content. E-learning platform offer a very vast array of educational resources covering various subject topics and format. Open educational resources. E-learning promote the use of open educational resource which are freely accessible, open licensed material that can be used for teaching, learning, research. O- Open educational resources include textbook, articles, videos, and other educational resources that are available online at little to no cost, making education more accessible and affordable for all. So, in this access to resources, there are like customizations and personalization, adaptive learning technologies, collaborative resources sharings, feedback and assessment tools, professional development resources are there, collaborative resources sharings are there. These resources empower educators and students to engage in effective teaching and learning process. Offer offer self-paced learning opportunities. Offer in this e-learning has developed teaching and learning process by offering self-paced learning opportunities, allowing students to take control of their education and tailor their learning experience to their individual needs and preferences. Like flexibility, individual learning path, customized content, adaptive learning technologies, self-assessment tools, interactive learning activity, progress tracking, immediate feedback, continuous learning opportunities. These these self-paced learning opportunities promote student autonomy, engagement, and success, more personalized and effective experience for all learners. Communication and collaboration. Online discussion forums. E-learning platform provide online discussion forums where a student can engage in discussion, ask questions, and share ideas with peers and instructors. Discussion forums promote active participations, critical thinking, uh, within collaboration within virtual classroom. Then comes here collaborative project and group work. E-learning enable collaborative project and group works through online collaboration tools and platform. Student can collaborate on assignments, projects, and presentations using shared documents, wikis, and video conferencing tools, developing teamwork, communication skills in virtual environment. Virtual office hours. E-learning allow instruction to hold virtual office hours using video conferences, chat rooms, discussion forums, conferencing tools. Virtual office hours provide opportunities for students to ask questions, seek clarification, receive personalized supports from instruction, promoting accessibility and flexibility in communication. So in e-learning and in this communication and collaboration uh, uh, through online discussion forums, collaborative project, peer review feedbacks, virtual office hours, real-time collaboration tools, announcements, update, feedback and assessments, mechanism, community building, global collaboration, uh, and professional development. These communication collaboration features a dynamic and interactive learning environment that promote engagement, participations, and success for all stakeholders. Monitor, monitor progress and provide feedback. Then In this feedback, this e-learning facilitate progress monitoring and feedback by learning analytical assessment tools. Learning analytics that track student engagement, participation, and process performances. Assessment tools that the e-learning system offer a variety of assessment tools, including quizzes, tests, assignments, interactive activities, then real-time progress tracking. It monitors progress as they work through course material and assignments. Adaptive learning technologies, this that urges the difficulty level, content, and pace of instruction based on individual student performance. Feedback mechanism Feedback mechanism enables instructor to provide timely and personalized feedback to students through written comments, audio recording, video messages, or on assignment, quizzes, and assessment. Automated grading, uh, then rubric and evaluation criteria, peer review, and feedback. These features enable instructor to monitor student progress effectively, provide timely, personalized feedback, and support student learning and success in online and blended learning environment. Then comes promote reflective practice. In this teaching and learning process, by providing opportunities for online journals, provide opportunities for educators and students to maintain online journals or blogs where they can reflect on their teaching and learning experience. Writing reflections allow individuals to articulate their thought, analyze their action, and identify area for growth and development. Then discussion forums, reflection prompts. This discussion forums that encourage educators and students to engage in reflective dialogues. Discussion forums provide space for sharing insight, asking questions, and exchanging ideas. Self-assessment tool. E-learning platform offers self-assessment tools that allow educator and a student to evaluate their own performances and progress. Self-assessment activities promote individuals to reflect on their strength, weakness, and area of development. Video reflection. Video reflection supports activity where educator can record themselves teaching or presenting and reflect on their instructional practices. Watching video recordings of their teaching allow educator to observe their delivery, classroom management technique, and student engagement. These reflective practice empower educators and students to critically evaluate their experiences, make informed decisions, and continuously improve their teaching and practice in online and blended learning environments. Then comes evaluate and iterate. E-learning serves a powerful tool for evaluating teaching and learning process and iterating upon them to enhance effectiveness and outcome. Here, how e-learning facilitate evaluation and iteration in education, that is data analytic, student engagement, performance, interaction with course material, analytic tool analyzes this data, then learning trend, pattern, and outcome, enable educators to access the effectiveness of teaching strategies. Assessment and feedback. E-learning systems support various assessment method and feedback mechanism to enable educator to evaluate student learning and provide timely feedback. Course evaluation survey. Uh, It can provide feedback on course content, instructional delivery, and learning experience. Then peer review and collaboration. Here, allowing them to share teaching strategies, resources, and best practices. Educator can use, evaluate, and refine their teaching approaches. Continuous professional development. E-learning offers continuous professional development for educators to enhance their teaching skills. Professional development activities provide educators the new insight strategies, tools that can integrate it into their teaching practice to improve outcome. It, Iterative course design. This allows educator to make incremental change to course content, activities, and assessment based on evaluation data and feedback. Then user experience design, that is UX design. Here, it, it the design principle to ensures that course can initiative, engaging, and accessible to learners. Data informed decision makings. E-learning promote data informed decisions making in educations where educators use evaluation to inform instructional decisions. Data driven decision making enable the educator to identify area of improvement, implement targeted intervention, and monitor progress toward desired outcome. These evaluations and iterations process enable educator to continuously improve teaching and learning practice, resulting in enhanced outcome for student in online and blended learning environment. Conclusion: by following these steps and integrating e-learning effectively into teaching and learning process, educators can create engaging, interactive, and personalized learning experience that empower students to succeed. Thank you everyone for listening. Thank you.
Thank you, Arisa ma'am. Please, I want to know whose device is Honor X8. Please let me know your name. Honor X8. Assalamualaikum, Abab ma'am. Workshop finished. Dr. Also finished already. I think you joined just now.